Ready to sell your Bitcoin on Coinbase? Whether you're cashing out some profits or reallocating your investments, we've got you covered. Let me show you how easy it is. You'll be surprised at how straightforward the process can be. First, log into your Coinbase account. If you're new to Coinbase, you'll need to create an account, which involves a few simple steps like verifying your email and setting up two-factor authentication. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up, but that's a topic for another video. For now, let's assume you're already set up and ready to go. Once you're in, look for the Trade button. It's usually on the top right corner. This button is your gateway to buying, selling, and converting cryptocurrencies. Click on it, and a drop-down will appear. Select Sell. This will take you to the selling interface where you can manage your transactions. Next, you need to choose which cryptocurrency you want to sell. Coinbase supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, but today we're focusing on Bitcoin. In this case, we're selling Bitcoin, so select Bitcoin, BTC, from the list. Make sure you're selecting the correct cryptocurrency to avoid any mistakes. Now enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to sell. You can enter a specific amount or a percentage of your holdings. You can either specify a precise amount or just hit Sell All if you're cashing out completely. This option is great if you want to liquidate your entire Bitcoin balance. Then pick your payment method. Coinbase offers several options to receive your funds. You've got options like a bank account, PayPal, or even a Coinbase USD wallet. Each method has its own processing time and fees, so choose wisely. Choose the one that suits you best. Consider factors like transaction speed and convenience when making your choice. Before you finalize the sale, review your order carefully. This step is crucial to ensure that all the details are correct. Double-check all the details to make sure everything is correct. Look at the amount, the payment method, and any fees that might apply. Once you're satisfied, click Sell Bitcoin, and that's it. You've successfully sold your Bitcoin. Your funds will be available in your chosen payment method shortly. Depending on your selection, it might take a few minutes to a few days. Selling Bitcoin on Coinbase is straightforward and quick. The platform is designed to make the process as seamless as possible. Just follow these steps, and you'll be good to go in no time. Happy